different stars this year and a few new stars sitting within the charts. Every year we have certain animals that we call big auspicious stars, and we have small auspicious stars. We have strong life force energy, and we have neutral life force energy. Strong life force energy means that you're really energetic, you really got it together. Neutral and weak life force energy means that your energy and your essence is a little bit low, so you do have to be mindful. We have a wealth star. We actually have what is called a Yin House star this year. Now the Yin House star represents the indication of falling sick easier than normal, okay? And it also is a representation of far more spiritual and psychic attack to normal as well. It means your energy and your essence is actually low. So if you do write down a Yin House star, it means that you do just need to be more mindful and make sure you put those health cures and remedies in place in the north part of your home. There is also what we call a natural disaster star. Now the natural disaster star is actually very much about being at the wrong place at the wrong time. If we look at the case of Thredbo and when there was the avalanche and all those innocent people, okay? That's very much just wrong place at the wrong time. It's a natural disaster star. So this means you just have to be far more mindful of what is happening around you, be mindful of it and actually keep your wits about you. We have a general star, particularly for the rooster. The general star shows leadership qualities. It shows a position of power, authority. It's like a general leads you into battle, but at the same time that can be very frustrating, and sometimes generals can get a little bit too big for their boots, so then they can actually become a little bit opinionated and hostile. So the general star is great for leadership, but it means if you've got the general star, mainly if you've got the rooster in your chart, you have to be careful that you're not too aggressive in your approach of things. We always have the flower of romance. We have the harmony star, and we actually have a robbery star this year as well. So the robbery star only sits in the tiger's chart, unfortunately, and like I was saying before, there seems to be a lot more betrayal with tricksters, scammers and that type of thing, and this is what this robbery star is about. It's very much saying to the tiger, okay, generally you're really, really lucky and you always fall on your feet, but this year you actually need to be mindful that you're not robbed or you're not taken advantage of. That sits in the chart. The heavenly star and the golden deity star are very favourable stars as well. So they bring us heaven luck, they bring really good favourable luck. So most of the stars this year are actually favourable and strong. We just have a few where we have to really kind of also keep our wits about us and be mindful of what is going on around us to protect ourselves.